So today we're going to be showing you how to back up an external NAS share. So to do this, we go to the File Share function or button on the Datto, and then click Network Attached Storage. From here we can manage all of our different NAS shares that we've created on the Datto. Because not only does the Datto back up NAS shares or back up machines, we can also host NAS shares. So you can store your data on those shares. All I do is I'll select the Backup External Share button, and from here I can give my share a name. Just underneath I can input the Samba share that I'm used to accessing this over, and then I can also put in the credentials to access this NAS share. Select Next, and I can then choose how often this share is going to be snapshotted, and then how long these snapshots will be kept on my device for. Just after that, I can choose how often I want to send these snapshots off-site, and then again, how often or how long I would like to keep these snapshots off-site for. And then finally, it's just a review and confirm page. So from here I can see the name and the address it's connecting over, and just confirm that I'm happy with all the settings I've put in. After that, I just click Finish. So now what this is going to do is it's going to add the share, and well, here we go. So I can now click the Take a Snapshot function, and what it's going to do is drag all of the data out of my NAS share, or sorry, copy all the data from my NAS share, and store it on my Datto as well. So any new changes you make in that NAS share will automatically get backed up